Metro Manila, ang population ay 13 million, 6 million lang yun. And yet so powerful, di ba?
Correct.
And ano ang problema? Leadership and governance lang, di ba?
End of the day, talaga everything rises and falls with leadership.
Exactly. Yan talaga ang kulang natin ngayon, yung genuine leadership
And vision.
and vision. Yan ang kailangan natin. So ano bang gusto nating envision sa future natin with this climate of bickerings, noise, corruption? Wala eh, 'di ba? So ano ba silver lining natin as Filipinos right now? I think meron pa rin. Kaya lang we need to speak up. Everybody should speak up respectfully. Marami tayong nakikita na kaya nag-aaway-away because of the harsh words eh, 'di ba? Mga vloggers ngayon na may point naman sila to the point na nagiging harsh din yung mga banat nila. Pero I don't go to that level. I go to the level of trying to elevate the level of discussion.
Into something more intelligent. Diba?
Exactly. Kasi gano'n naman ang Pilipino in the first place eh. Kaya nga, in other countries, we succeed because academically, ang gaganda ng schools natin eh. Di ba? Kaya lang naman tayo nagkakaganito because the leaders